34 in Green Bay. It was cloudy with a temperature of 34 in Eau Claire. The National Weather Service in Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. After these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for select warnings and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We are now returning to normal programming. Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area. This afternoon, breezy.